Welcome back to PHTM TV, and we've got Paul Whitehouse from Chariot Accountants back with us. Yesterday we learned a little bit about your business and how you've become a really strong specialist in taxi accountancy. Today I'd like to ask you a question really that's aimed at the new operator, somebody who's a brand new taxi driver setting their own firm up. What is the biggest mistake that those taxi drivers are likely to make that you found in your experience?
I'd say the biggest mistake is not separating your business from your personal. The most key option for that is to create a bank account. So be it a normal current account, it doesn't have to be a business account, just something to separate all of your expenses and all your income away from your household bills and anything that might cause questions in regards to how you manage your business. Things like your child tax credits or your wife's income that goes in, loans from friends and family, all can cause questions that HMRC will pick up on, and they can crucify you if you don't keep records for it. So having that separate stream of money that comes in and comes out, and you know exactly what you're earning and what you need to claim against, will give you a clear information for your accountant to make sure that your tax is paid correctly.
And with that separate bank account, does that make automation easier? Because I know a lot of business bank accounts now have an automatic feed, don't they?
Yes, some of the major banks actually will work with personal accounts as well as business accounts. So they can feed directly into accounting software, allowing the information to be immediate. So instead of having to give the information at the end of the year, every transaction that happens can be fed directly to the accountant and to the accounting software. So accountants effectively become real-time providers of information to help you manage your business. If things start going wrong, if things can become a bit more cumbersome for you, especially around financing and stuff like that, the accountant can pick up on those and provide you with support and guidance to get yourself out of those trouble areas.
And when, say, a new firm is formed, do you have it like an induction service, a plan of all the little things they need to think about?
Yes, we do. We are very much a hands-on accountant in that regards. We get right down to the nitty-gritty of how they're going to run their business. A lot of clients will come to us already believing they know how it's all set up, and we make sure that whatever they're doing needs to be ironed out and corrected. If they do have no idea about how to record income, then we obviously suggest what sort of software they use, obviously with the digital coming in. If they're doing paper records, how they're recording their fares down, are they doing it correctly? One of the common mistakes is actually the float. When you have a float in your bag, remember to take that out, because if that gets added on every single day, then all of a sudden your income's incorrect. So things like that we always do make safeguards to make sure they've got it all correct.
That's really great advice. Well, listen, thank you so much for joining us again. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of firms that are new to the business that will be knocking on your door and getting some sage advice. Thank you
very much.
Okay, cheers then.
Cheers.